Hello Cadets! The NFT market has been growing massively in the past couple of months, with projects launching their platforms one after another. But as interesting as it all may sound, many people are afraid of buying NFTs. They don't want to spend their money on digital goods only to find their money stuck due to low demand. I can tell you one thing, it sure isn't fun to look at your newly acquired NFT and know that you just can't sell it for a reasonable price. However, one platform is making sure that this doesn't happen. Introducing Drops, an end-to-end DeFi platform that creates new value for NFTs. Sounds interesting, right? Well, let's dive in and see how it all works.
Cryptonauts.
Drops aims to bring DeFi-style infrastructure to NFTs, adding much-needed utility to currently idle NFT assets. With Drops, users have the option to leverage their NFTs and obtain loans to earn real yield. This drastically reduces the opportunity cost of holding NFTs long-term by creating additional value for each utilized NFT. So what can we do on Drops? Well, there are actually quite a few options. First, users can convert their NFT tokens into ERC20 tokens, which support liquidity pools by utilizing a feature called margin NFTs. This not only gives users the opportunity to leverage the value of their NFTs while holding them, but also to fractionalize NFTs while retaining their ownership. Once an NFT is converted, users can collateralize it and use it for staking or trustless vaults on various DeFi protocols. On top of that, Drops also enables its users to obtain trustless loans via a protocol based on Compound's infrastructure as well as staking. It's quite simple. Your now quantifiable NFTs are now used to create LP tokens, which can be used as collateral for loans or for staking and earning additional profit by providing liquidity to certain DeFi markets. The platform benefits from Layer 2 scaling solutions, namely Polygon and Biconomy. It is powered by the DOP token, which can be used for staking or governance or earned as a cashback reward. You can currently get the DOP token on Uniswap and the Gate exchange. To make sure that Drops isn't just another project that tries to benefit from the NFT hype train, we took a look at its supporters. And boy oh boy, we have a lot to see. The project has been recognized and supported by numerous individuals and companies that are prominent in the crypto sector and beyond. On top of that, Drops already has 4 large strategic partners that back the project, namely QuantStamp, 0xB1, Polygon, and as of recently, Engine.
The engine.
This brand new partnership with Engine will provide additional features such as the ability to use ENJ tokens as collateral for loans. Drops will also integrate games built on the Engine platform with its margin NFT solutions. Pretty cool, huh? So, what do you guys think about the Drops ecosystem? Do you think that this project will help the NFT market unlock more of its untapped potential? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the project, check out the link in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Captain Crypto here, and as always, HODL, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.